This Argos support video will demonstrate how to remove, clean and refit your vacuum cleaner's filter to ensure your product runs efficiently. Firstly, ensure the product is unplugged and release the dirt container. Then detach the filter. Tap the filter over a bin to remove any dirt and/or debris. Wash the filter under running water, remove any excess and leave to dry for at least 24 hours. Ensure the filter is completely dry before refitting into the vacuum cleaner. Finally, reassemble. The filter can be put back into position. Following these simple steps on a monthly basis will help to prolong the life of your machine. For further assistance, please contact www.argos-support.co.uk.